Hello everyone, allow me to introduce myself. My name is KADEK WISWAMBARA, so I am the leader team of Project Applied. You might wondering what is Project Applied. So, Project Applied is a project that me and my team develop. My team which is KOMANG SATYA MAHAGANGGA, KOMANG Hci SUDANA, and AQILLA VANDYTA made from zero to now. Uh, So in this project, me and my teams have already made an application design, which is an marketplace application, but it's not like an ordinary marketplace. This design are going to have a marketplace for freelancer, uh, someone that has skill or talent, and they want to monetize it. So let's straight to the application design. So our app's going to be like this. The new users are going to straight to the home page where they can see the feature in here. There are a lot of feature here. But as I said, the main of the application is to be a marketplace for a freelancer and someone that has talent or something like that to monetize their talent and skills and make it as a money. And also it's going to be an application for someone that need that talents or some sorts of skill, maybe like photography skill, art skill, games, music, and so on. And they can find the perfect person to do their job or to have what they wanted. And let's just go straight to the how the transaction works in this application. First of all, we need to sign in. And after we sign in, the page are going to still be like this, but the users can access all of the feature here now, such as message, notification, transaction, and account. So we're gonna talk about the main purpose of the application first, and then my friends are going to present it all of the sub feature on the application. And our main feature is this one, where someone has a skill to be a coach for Valorant and he want to monetize his skill to someone that need their skill. In this page, we can see that the sellers want to be a coach for Valorant for $5, and the buyers will get 3 hours of course time and in every 3 game. We can the buyers can freely move or choose the option they want, such as $10 for 6 hour and 6 game, $15 for 10 hours and 10 game. So if the users already found what they want, they can just directly confirm it, and it's going to send them to the payment process, where they can pay the service by credit card, PayPal, OVO, GoPay, and a lot more. And they're gonna show up what their choose are. Let's see if we push $5. It's going to show on a $5 where the service fee is 0.25 and it's going to be $5.25. So if we confirm it, it's gonna show that the payment are success, and it's going to send the users back to the main menu. But there are main feature where our application gonna be different from other application like this. It is an custom order where the users can freely customize their their order. They can add anything they want here, but also they need permission or acceptance or something like agreement with the seller, and so on. Let's see the custom order feature. So the system going to send a message like this: I would like to send a custom request. And then if the sellers accept the request, the sellers are going to send them an agreement which they have to fill in like this. So they can put what they wanted with the desired price amount they want, and so on. But if the users doesn't satisfied yet with this agreement, they can strictly request the things here, and the system gonna send a notification like this: I would like to request things. And if the sellers accept it again, the custom order gonna be like this, where the sellers can put anything they want by negotiating with the sellers and also the buyers, and found what the desired things that they want. And if they confirm it, they will straight go to the uh, payment process and so on. And that's it for the customs order. Okay, for the next is the transaction from the seller's POV. Okay, from the seller's POV, it's gonna be pretty much the same. The users need to sign up first or login first, so they're gonna straight to the main menu. But this times is gonna be different, because the users are going to be a seller, where they can find it here. And they become a seller, and they have to fill the registration first. They have to fill it all, and when they confirm it, they become a seller. And you may notice that there are not pretty much a difference here. It's all the same. But if we push this, and the users now can create a pause and see the quest list. Okay, let's try to create a pause. If the users create a post, these tabs gonna show up, and they need to fill it all. They need to add the photo or video for the thumbnail of the post. They need to add the title of the post, description of the post. They can also link their social media, so they can show their testimony or so on. And they can add the pricing, the submission name, and the submission description. And if the users already fill it up, this tab's gonna show up like this. And this gonna be the thumbnail, it's gonna be the title, the description, and this is gonna be the course. They also can add more course or more option for the users, and if they want to, if they already good with it, the users can post it, and yes, the post success, and they will come back to the main menu. And the post can be shown here on the my post section. And I think that's all for the transaction in the seller's POV. Let's see the customs. As I said, it's the main feature on these apps, and we're gonna see the customs. We're gonna see the customs from the seller's POV. So as before, they will go to the main menu, and if someone requests a custom, it's gonna show up on the notification tab, and it's gonna be show up like this: I would like to request a custom order. And if they tap it, they will straight go to the chat system, and if they accept the request for the custom, they can add the customs, and add the terms they already discuss, or the terms that already in the custom itself. They can add freely however they want, and save custom. And this tab's gonna show up like this: the customer, please accept and fill the document. If the users accept the customs, then the transaction is done. And that's it for the customs in the seller's POV. For the next subsystem and subfeature on this design, for this application design, are gonna presented by my friends. The times is fully yours, guys.
Hi, I'm SUDANA, and now I will explain how to login, sign up, and request a job in our group application design, namely Applied in Figma. Okay, I will start the presentation. After we open the app, we directly go to the home page. If we want to login, you can click account menu and you directly go to login page. You can fill email and password if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can click sign in right here. Or also you can log in via Google or Facebook. If you want to sign in, you will go to the sign in page. In the sign in page, you must fill the name, email, password, retype your password, and your country. And also, you can sign in via Google or Facebook. Okay, you will get the verification code in your email, and after that, if you read it, you must fill the verification code and click confirm. And you have been logged in application. If you want to request a job, you can click icon right here and you can select the create a request. And this is the page of create request. You must fill the request job, that is the job that what you need, and then you can fill your name, your number phone, the description of job like the specification or something like that, and the categories of the job. And after that you can click upload and it will appear the pop-up notification that makes sure the data that you fill is correct. And if you want to confirm, click yes, and the request was sent. If you want to see the request, you can click the transaction menu, and this is your request right here. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, in this video I will present it about my project called Applied, and I'm in charge of explaining about the seller POV and transaction. First, I will explain about seller POV. Now, in my project Applied apps, here's the home. We're gonna click here. From here, there's a pop-up, and to become a seller, you just have to click this button to become a seller. That can continue to confirm. That's how it is. That's easy. And in the transaction, you just see the button in the home page in the transaction, the bottom here, and there is the transaction page, that which is divided by 4, and the first one is the request. As you can see, there's already a request here. For example, coach Valorant, logo designer, parts for decoration. And there's also the progress of each request. There's an on progress and there's this where it's done. Here we go to the order. Here we can see in the transaction what we have been ordered. For example, we have ordered a coaching for Valorant. It seems that we ordered the coaching of Valorant 3 times and it's all done. For the 4th time, it's still on progress. And in the history, we can see what activities that we do in the transaction page. For example, that the 4th time I post the request for art for decoration, logo designer, coaching for Valorant, and there's the history for what I ordered for coaching Valorant and when the order is verified and it's in the progress. And after that, there is the my post. In this post, this is what we can explain by meaning is it's about what I can do or what you can order me to do. In this example, I can do an app's design and what I'm offering to you is the experience, and I'm experienced in designing, and I'm a computer science graduate, and I'm also runner-up in gymnastics. I think that's all I can explain to you. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. My name is AQILLA VANDYTA, and this time I will explain interaction design of application that call affiliate. I will explain account setting here and service center. In this in this account setting, you can see your account account profile here, your account name, and your balance here. Then, if you click this my account, then you can see the tab or the service that you like or the feature that you save. And then if you click order menu here, in here you can manage your order, manage your set request, and post a request. And this general menu, you can see your linked social media like maybe Instagram, Facebook, or other social media. And then you can become a seller by click this become a seller button. You can see your notification, you can change your security, you can see our term of service and privacy policy too. You can change your language and you can support me by give us 5 star, or if you want to log out to change your icon and order, you can click log out in bottom here. And then if you click this red button, if you need help with my application, you can click this button like this. You will go to the service center. In the service center, you will service by our bot here, the bot, and they will give you they will let you ask for the question that make you difficult. Then if we can click this quick quick chat here, or we can type the chat by ourselves. Maybe we can type seller doesn't give response, then the bot will give you answer. Then if we use this quick chat like this, then how to pay the service, the bot give you give you answer for your problem. Then if the bot doesn't give you the right answer, or you doesn't satisfied by answer of the bot, you can chat by our live agents by clicking this button, this quick chat button like this. Then the bot will send you a button that you can click to invite the live agent like this. Then if you click that, the live agent will join the chat to help you. Then you can type your problem like this. Maybe I can make request in apps. Then you send it. Then the live agent will give you solution with your problem at real time. And so that's my presentation about account setting and service center of affiliate application, of affiliate design interaction application. Thank you for the time.
Okay, thank you everyone. Now I think we have reached to the end of this presentation, and to make you guys more interested in our project, our design application, we have reviewed some of people and told them to help us on usability tests, and we got pretty much a positive review. And lastly, before we close this presentation, I want to show you guys one of our feature that we've developed to make the users of our application more interested in on using our application. That is an monthly leaderboard. That is an applied monthly leaderboard where it is an leaderboard system of the best service provider in our application, or the best sellers that are resets every month. To join this feature, you only have to be a sellers, do the challenge in this feature, such as this. And this is the leaderboard. And this is the leaderboard system in our feature. So you can see the best from 1 to 20, and we're gonna add it to the 100. And to be in the leaderboard, you only have to gain an XP. And how to earn that XP? It's only and how to earn that XP? It's very easy. And how to earn that XP? It's very easy. You only have to do the challenge in the feature, such as finishing one job, get 5-star review, and so on. It's very easy, and if they already claim it, they can just get their XP and be on the leaderboard. And I think that's pretty much all of our application. I hope you guys like this application project of ours. And if you like it, please give a good review for us, and you can contact us in the contact person that have already added to the CV. And that's all from us. I'm sorry if there are any mistake in this presentation, and I hope we can meet in other time. Bye bye.